Let's say there are two ways to get the current weather in a given city. Perhaps we have two different remote services, but sometimes one of these services responds a little bit slower. So we want to call these services concurrently. And as soon as we get a response, we're going to display it to the user. Let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to create two completable futures. Here's the first one, completable future that supply async. Let's say this is our slow link. So in the body of this Lambda, I'm going to call long task that simulate and then return 20. That is the current weather, let's say in New York City. Now we create a second task, completable future that supply async. Now this simulates a fast link. So here we return 20 immediately. Now we're going to call both these services concurrently. And as soon as one of them responds, we're going to print the result on the terminal. So here we call completable future dot. In the last video, you learned about all of. With this, we can wait for the completion of all tasks. We have another method called any of. This returns a new completable future that will complete as soon as one of these completable futures that we pass here completes. So just like before, we have var args here. We can pass any number of completable futures. I'm going to pass first and second. This will give us a new completable future. Let's store it in this variable, fastest. Look at the type of this variable. It's a completable future of object. Now, right after we get the result, we can call then accept. We're going to consume the result. So we get the temperature and print it on the terminal. Now, let's reformat our code. That is better. So run. See, we got the result immediately. We didn't have to wait 3 seconds to get the current weather from our slow service.